So we are going to see today about layout setting, okay, page layout setting. So we open. You open the drawing here. Okay, I have a in downloads. I have a drawing. So.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Today the basic English class. Can you sending the English?
Basic what?
Basic English class.
Oh, you want to go to basic English? Huh?
Yeah. Hussain Muhammad Badal.
No, you can exit. You go. How to? Okay. You just see. You can exit. See you click here. Leave meeting. You just leave the meeting. Then you'll go to the main room.
Okay.
Do you have? Can you see the leave meeting?
Yeah, the link I going the only computer.
Leave. Leave. Leave.
Yeah, leave.
Yeah, click the one.
Click ready.
And then you say leave meeting room.
Leave breakout room.
Leave breakout. Press the one. Okay. Right. So now we have a new drawing here. Okay. All these things come back. Okay, I know I did all these things. Delete. Because I saved this drawing, so it's automatically it's coming. Okay, I delete all the layouts. Now, when you open a drawing like this, what you will find is actually this is a model space where you can draw all the models, and this is a layout where you can set your printing. For me, so far, I always use print from here. Okay, I don't use layout, but layout is good because my drawing is got all these different small drawings, so it will be easy for me to use the model space. So what I do, I go here, print. Okay, plot. Then I select the printer. Now I select maybe like for example, draw DWG to PDF. Then select the paper size. Normally we in our company we have only A2 and A3. Either you can print A2 or A3. I guess I select A3 maybe. Yeah, I select A3. A3. Okay. So then I select here display is I select window. You know, display and this is all I think last week I already teach you. Window. Then I choose maybe this view I want to print out. Then I change it to landscape. So because see, it's not using the full space, it's landscape. Then I put the center. Center means it will be plotting in the center of the sheet. Okay, and then I don't set up the scale. Okay, so then preview. Either you can preview here. So this is how your drawing looks like. No, you don't have title block, so there's no title block here. So exit, and then once you see if you're happy, then you just put OK. Then it asks you where you want to save. Okay, then you give the name like for example, plan view or something like a plan of crane. Okay, then save. Okay, now I already saved. So now I have already printed this drawing. It must be in the see, the PDF is already saved here. So now I have a PDF. Okay, now you cannot open the see. Can you see how PDF you can see? Can you see the PDF?
So it's blank.
blank.
Page.
Yeah, okay. So that's why, because I press on one more thing.
Sir, I'm seeing only your face, not your screen.
Now?
Yeah, now can see.
Okay, so this is what now I printed. So this is how you need to do printing. Okay, in the model space. Okay, so I then now again go back to AutoCAD. Share screen, AutoCAD. Now I see how to prepare similar drawing in the layout. Okay, go here. Now this layout is already it shows the layout. Now you want to print out the title block. Okay, so title block is actually, we don't have the title block template, so nobody prepared drawing for that. Anybody prepare drawing and send? Anybody prepare title block drawing? No, right? Okay, so I just delete this one. Then I import the title block from the our template. Okay. Last time, do you remember we make a template A4 my layout? This is one last time we make, but this is not so good actually. Okay, so we'll take maybe from something from here. A3, we take a A3 drawing. Okay, A3. Okay. So here the A3 title log is already here. Okay, now I can do it. So now make sure whatever you're drawing all should be within this this line, this dotted line. This is where you can see your drawings. Okay. See what I should do. I should explore this one. See whether I can now normally our we make one can explode. I don't know whether this one can explode. I'll try. Okay. Modify, explode. Explode everything. Enter. Now stretch. Stretch. So now it's inside. Stretch. No, sorry, I should on the ortho first. Okay, I undo. Then now I on the ortho. Okay, then now I to the stretch. Why I'm doing is I want it to be inside the thing. Okay, so now all it's actually this one can match with this one. But anyhow, don't waste time. So I just prepare something smaller than the layout. So you see this line, this dotted line. Your drawing should be within this dotted line. Okay, so now you are done already the layout. Your title block is already there. So now you need to bring the drawings up from the model space. So what you should do is actually you can type MB. Okay, then you select this corner to be like this one. So you're already drawing MB is so yeah, the same way last time we do this one. Insert, layout, No, view. New layout. Insert block. Okay. Insert. Format layers. View. Okay. View. Viewports. New viewports. Then just click here. Single. You can do the same thing by here. See, you can do the same thing. But you remember the thing MS, MView, okay, MV. Now you already have the thing here. Okay, so now you already have this drawings here. Now you want only, for example, you want only this view only. So what you do? Yeah, you double click this one. So now you double click, you already activated. Now you can move. So now you move and then you keep only this one. Or you can put zoom, W for window, and select only this portion. Now it's already here, right? So now you need to enter PS. Or you can outside double click also can. So now double click, now already done. So now what will happen is actually, now if I move, it will move as a whole thing. It will see. But if I double click here, then I is moving only there. See, it's moving like this. So now I need to lock the drawing. So how I lock? So I click here. I select this review. MV. I click this one. Okay. MV. Click this one. Okay. Why? What happened? Okay, now it's asking how compose. Select this one. Then you should go here. MO. Select the view. Give me a data. So I bring here again, I put it in the position and click here. Now double click here, then again click this one. See here, you got a lock, this display lock. So you should put yes. Now if you lock the display, then you cannot move this one. Double click also you cannot move this one. Only it can move as a, so you cannot move this drawing. So this is how you lock your drawings. That means, see, whatever changes here, if you move this one, then here nothing happens. See, for example, I move this one, but here also it will be in the same position. See, here it won't move. But I cannot move this one individually. Understand? Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So now I'm creating one more layout. New layout. See here also same thing is there. So I delete this one. Maybe I should bring the drawing again. Okay. So I should bring the layer again. So right click from layout. use maybe different one. Okay, let's see. C, D. So now I have it done. So yes, this title block is already here. I delete this one. Okay. Now you know how to change, right? So I'm not going to change this stretch to make it smaller. So try to make it smaller and keep it within the border of this dotted line. Okay. Then here I want to give another view of the drawings. So what I should do, MV. I select here and then here. Now I want to keep only these two. Okay, or maybe like for example, I want to keep only one. So what I should do? I should select here. See now this one I can move. I haven't unlocked. Zoom, window, zoom, window, and then choose only this one. Okay. So, but this one you cannot avoid. So, if you want, you can move this one in the model space. Okay. So we keep these two, okay? Sorry, these two. Then and outside double click. So now it's already done. Now we already have the second one. So now we have two drawings. One is actually a plan view, and one is actually a side view. Okay. So these two drawings we have. So then scale. Well, maybe for example, what is the scale of this drawing? When you click this one, it will new drawings in new softwares. Latest drawing will give you the view, give you the view scale of this drawing. So now here is not that. Custom scale is here 006. 006 is actually is what? One. Okay, scale. Okay, we'll have the custom scale. What happens? 006. Maybe 1000. 1:1000. And noted. So 1:100. Let's see what happens. So it still is very big. Okay. So 1:1000 have or not? Don't have. Scale to fit. So then 005. So 005 is how many? Any idea of 005 is how many? 005 is how many?
Sir, your voice not clear.
Okay. Is it now clear?
No, sir.
Not clear?
Can hear, but it's not clear.
From the beginning or now only?
It's suddenly just now only.
Oh, okay. I don't know why. I try to switch off the fan then. Okay, so now at least clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now clear.
Maybe my fan is too loud, maybe. Okay. So now what? Okay, so now scale, right? So now scale is 00. Okay. This is drawing so big, so we need to select a bigger paper. Okay, so then maybe we select a bigger paper, then our scale can be reduced. So maybe we will create one more drawing, one more layout, new layout. Okay, this layout we will just we don't do anything, just keep the drawing like this. Okay, so now go here. Page setup manager. Then this is a layout. Modify. So printer is okay. Anytime you can change. So this is an A4. You maybe make it 0, A0. A0 is big, or even bigger than this also can. But A0 will be the biggest size that we can do. A0, ISO A0. Okay. Yeah. Scale. Here we see what happens here. We select the scale. Okay, 1:10. Okay. So now we cannot see the layout. So what we should do? We just again, I don't know whether you got the drawing or not. Double click. Yeah, there's MV also can. Okay. So okay, try to bring the drawing, huh? MV here to here. Okay. Now we have the drawing here. Now see what is the scale factor? 2.6. So this one is custom scale. 1:100. See what happened. Wow. Yeah, very small. Okay. So in that case, 1:1. This is 10:1. And 1:1. This is 2:1. Okay, 2:1 is correct. Okay. So 2:1 is correct. Now we have when we want dimensioning. So the time is 2:1. Okay, now I want to prepare dimensions. Linear. What is this length? From here to here. Why I cannot see? Is this so too small? Yes, it's too small. Okay, so we change the size of the letter. Text here, text height is maybe like 25. Okay. So now is how much? Is it in mm or inches? What is our setting? Okay, mm. What inches you are? Any changes? Right. Is that it don't change because earlier the unit here. Okay, right. So this is here, right? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to on the off the OSNAP setting, and now I'm going to do the same thing. Dimension, linear.
ஆனா உங்க வால்யூம் இன்னும் கிராக்கியா இருக்கு வாய்ஸ்.
என்னன்னு தெரியலையே.
கொஞ்சம் மேபி தள்ளி ஸ்பீக்கர்ல இருந்து பாருங்க.
ஓகே, ஒரு நிமிஷம் வீடியோ கட் பண்ணிடுறேன் நானு. கேக்குதா?
கேக்குது. கண்டினியூஸா பேசுங்க அப்பதான் தெரியும்.
ஓகே. Okay, so now okay, now I'm going to check. இல்லையே
கொஞ்சம் வால்யூம் குறைச்சு பாருங்களேன். நீங்க பேசுறது கொஞ்சம் சாஃப்டா பேச பாருங்க. மேபி அப்படின்னு கெஸ் பண்றேன் நானு. நீங்க பக்கத்துல இருந்து பேசுறதுனால ஒண்ணுமே தெரியல. சவுண்ட்
இப்படி சவுண்ட்
இப்போ அப்படிதான் இருக்கு.
கேமரா சரியில்லையா? ஓகே, இது நான் வேற மைக் செட் பண்றேன்.
சரி சரி.
இப்ப கேக்குதா?
ஓகே ஓகே அண்ணா இப்போ ஓகே.
ஓகே. இப்போ வந்து சவுண்ட் நல்லா இருக்கா இல்ல?
அதாவது எல்லா வேர்ட்ஸும் கேக்குது, அந்த கிராக் ஆகல, ஆனா ரொம்ப சத்தமா இருக்கிற மாதிரி இருக்கு.
அப்படியா? சரி ரெண்டு மைக் இருக்குன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஒரு மைக் எப்படி கட் பண்ண தெரியல. ஓகே, we'll see how. Okay, so now just now the drawing is here is okay. I change the 25 also is too small, so maybe 250, maybe 1000. Okay, so see the drawing is here. Okay, this is a unit. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to still dimension. I need to take slightly closer here. Okay, so I put 1000. Okay, so now the dimensions both are same. Okay, so in that case, this drawing and this model space is correct. Okay, so because we put it in A4, we change this to so this layout we change here. Yeah, we put 2:1. 2:1. In that case, we is it okay? We see what is it. In that case, our drawing setup is wrong. Okay, dimension maybe from here to here. What should be there? What is our dimension? A0 is right. So big. Okay, so I change 1000. So now this drawing size is no more A0. We set up A0, right? Okay. Again, we have to go and set up the A0. Page setup manager, modify. Yeah, it's a paper size is A0. Then the layout is layout plot, fit scale. We remove the scale first. Custom. Okay, so yeah. Why here is 88181? Okay, right, landscape. Okay, close. Okay. So from here to here, dimension. From here 1000. Okay. See now see the difference. Okay, it's because we are taking the different dimensions. Okay, fine. Now the thing is now is not setting up to the proper dimensions. Okay, so we will start from again beginning from again. I want to start from again. Give me a minute. Right. So first of all, we set a new drawing, a new layout, then we bring in the drawings. Okay, new layout, then layout 2. Okay. Now check the size of the drawing. Okay. Dimension linear here to here. Okay. 275. This is 275. I think it is in inches maybe. Okay. Okay. So now it's within the spec. Now scale factor. What is the scale factor? 0057. Okay. So if it is 0057, then it is okay. Now it is in the this AC. Now the A0 size is correct. Okay. Now clear? Now you have the 207 is because of the. Okay, I change the layout. Page setup manager. Modify. It's custom. Then this MM. Okay. So then here MV, then choose from here to here. Now see what is the dimension here. Wow. So the actual one is so big. So this is the actual drawing, okay? But this is a setup for this dimension that is actually this is for 0, 0, 0 point. This will be very, very big. Okay. So this drawing is too big to handle. Correct. So this drawing is too big. So what shall we do now? This is it's very difficult to put it on the scale. Okay. So we will create another drawing. Model. Okay. I close this one. Okay. So now we create some drawings here. So now what is the limit here? What we set is limits 0.0, 420, okay, right. So now this is zoom all. Zoom. Okay. So now we'll go to the layout setting. New layout. Okay. Layout. Okay. Page setup. Modify. Okay. Layout. This is A4 size. Okay. And we change to A2, A3 size. Scale is 1:1. Close. Okay. So delete here. Then this is our view of A4 size. Okay. So now we insert MV. Yeah. Type MV in the column. Then select this from here to here. Okay. Now see what is this? What is the scale? Scale is 0.5. 0.5 is 2:1. Okay. Custom should be 2:1. No, 1:2. 1:2. Yeah, 1:2. Okay. So now clear. So now this is 1:2. When you measure this one and this one will be same. Diameter, dimension, linear of this one. Dimension, linear from this point to this point is 233. Okay. Now I check here. Dimension, linear. I need to on the ortho. Sorry, OSNAP. Then I need to capture this corner. This corner. Can you see the difference? 234 and 463. 463 is the actual dimension because you are bringing to half. Can you see the difference? Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Can see.
Yeah. Field. The crane is so big, you know, cannot comprehend the one. Okay, so now field. Okay, field, then object. Okay, then object type is object. Things be object scale. Can you see? Can you find scale? Scale. Visual style, object name, plot style, UCSL, paper size, large scale. Okay. So it can give you 1:1 is equal to okay. So change the to okay. So this one don't bother, leave it. So you can write here scale also. Instead of automatic, we can write it manually. You can just this one. This one next I'll let you know how to change put the field column there. Okay. So similarly, you can change to many layouts you want. So you can add in layouts, then you can separate drawings one by one. Then you can add in your title block. Okay. Then I'll tell you how to bring in title block. Okay. So from template, then these are the thing we bring in. See, it's from the layout. So you have here one extra. Okay. Okay. Then you can bring in the layout. So from here, then you add in the MV, enter, MV, enter, then enter. So then bring your first corner to second corner. So whatever drawings here, it will come back here. Then you can put. Clear? Any doubt? Okay, you try it to your place. You got any problem? Then you can let me know. This is also one of the template that field area that we do. Later, this today I don't know why it's not coming. So later in the next week I'll teach you how to make the fields put properly. Okay. Any question? Yes. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear.
Yeah, I cannot hear you. So what? Any question? புரியுதா எனக்கு? நீங்க போட்டு பாருங்க, ஏதாவது ப்ராப்ளம் சொல்லுங்க, நான் ஹெல்ப் பண்றேன்.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So try at home. If you got any problem, then let me know. I can still check and then let you know. So this is not for me normally. I use from model space, so I don't use create layout because I got too many drawings for the layout. But if you want to use layout, you can use similarly. The basic method is that's all. Just create the layout, then type MD, and then select the thing you want, and then what you say, double click this one, double click the layout, then you can move the thing, and move wherever you want. So you move, and then you want to click here, click, then display. You want to off the display. Once you set everything, then click here, click your layout, then double click here, click your layout, then display lock. Yes, so that means your display. So once you set everything, it lock the display, then okay, done. Clear? Okay, any question?
No, sir.
No question, huh? Okay, so how about exercises? Okay, so I want to teach you some other things also. Okay, some of the basic things that you need to know. How to find out, maybe for example, your drawing is too big, okay? Like you got so many things inside. You want to find out some, maybe for example, wall, okay? Or a bedroom. How you find out? What you should do? Here, text. Okay, here got right click here, find, then right here, like for example, whatever you want to find, here like wall, enter, then you can find. Okay, if you want to replace also, you can replace. Wall you want to replace as a wall mount, maybe something like wall fan or something like that. You can just change to. You want example or you understand? Okay. Then here put replace. Then it will tell you how many you have. For example, yeah, right here wall, maybe something like that. Right here text. Right. Joy. IFF. And okay. So I have here some of the text. So now I'm going to find out. So like for example, like find like Salim, SALIM. Enter. So it says like one have. Okay, found one. Then I can put replace with, maybe like for example, replace with maybe like joy. Okay. Enter. Now it's already should be changed. So change to joy. Okay. Anything else? Yeah, this is one thing. Then another thing is actually when you want to change a property, you just select here, and then you can just change whatever text here. Like you can text, you can change. Then you just justification is actually from where you start, then the width, and then text height. Everything you can change here. Okay, so 40. And then one more thing. Maybe for example, I draw here some circle and draw here a line. Okay. Then I change the property of this one. Property I change to red color. Then line type is line weight. Okay, enough. Okay, so now I need to change this one to red color. Maybe if I can also copy this one. So for example, I just copy this this property. Okay. Then here got the match property. There's one called match property. Match property. So then I just click here. It also turn to red. So if I copy these properties of this one to here. Okay. So then what else is important? Then
sir, I'm taking a leave, sir.
Okay, can.
Thanks.
Sorry. One minute. Let me take a picture in that case. Give me a minute. Who's leading now? Okay, can I take a picture of the students?
Yes, sir.
நான் ரெக்கார்டிங் ஸ்டாப் பண்ணிரவா?
Yeah, can.